So 15 million views, 55,000 subscribers, and today I'm starting again from zero. And you might ask me why. I'm 48 years old and I realized I chased views with my other channel and now I'm looking to build a business. Let me show you my channel real quick. You can see the channel here. The audience is at 54,000 subscribers. That's of February 10th or 12th here. And the content, you can see, well, I got like 6 million views in long form videos. And then the shorts is about almost 7 million views. So you can see how many views are actually on this channel. And guys, I just wanted to show you this just to confirm that I'm not one of those gurus that teaches you how to make money online, but have only made money on teaching you how to make money. I've actually built something, a cooking channel that's made money on AdSense, has made money from affiliates. And I just wanted to show you that and show you where I'm going. I'm documenting the build in the Builders Club. It's a free community. The link is in the description. If you're just starting your channel, just remember you don't need to be perfect. You're gonna make all kinds of mistakes. I'll show you my humble beginnings as a YouTuber. All right, let's go. How to peel an onion.
Learn how to peel an onion.
My very first video on home cook, 200,000 views. Oh, it's so funny. We don't do montages like this anymore. It's like the intro.
Hey, it's Bob, Home Cook Basics. So today we're talking about how to peel an onion.
But as you guys can see, you can come a long way in video, but it's good to look at your old stuff. And don't be afraid to just, hit play and create content, because I mean that old video still's got 200,000 views and people keep watching it. And of course it's not the best and it's not my best stuff, but we're all learning and we keep growing and we keep making content. If you're just starting out or building a YouTube channel or you're a little bit along the way, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know what you're actually building. Now I can tell you I do not regret building that cooking channel. I learned so much about video, how to create content, long form, short form. I mean, the channel's been around almost 5 years or 6 years now. And there was so much I learned along the way. But the real thing is I didn't understand monetization. Back then, everybody was like, especially in the cooking space, is like, how big could you make the channel and how many views you could get to make the money on AdSense. And that really wasn't the right play to actually build revenue with the actual cooking channel. And the channel's a machine. It still brings money in every day and every month. I get a decent check, usually around like $1,200. And I'm not going to give it up, but I'm starting to build something different. I think there's a big advantage right now for YouTube channels if you're a little bit older. Like I'm 48, going to be in my 50s pretty soon. And I think there's an advantage to that because people are looking for people that are real. They don't want the 20-year-old trying to sell or pitch you something and that doesn't have any experience. So I think there's a huge opportunity for people in their 40s, late 30s, 40s, 50s, and even 60s to start a YouTube channel. And I hope if you're doing that now, follow my journey on this channel. It would be really cool. Watch the next video to see what 15 million views paid me with AdSense and why I'm pivoting.